As heavy equipment moved tons of mud from homes in Palm Desert and Rancho Mirage, the Riverside County Board of Supervisors called on Governor Brown for state assistance to help the victims of Friday's flash flooding. Damage estimates are placed at nearly $40 million. 44 homes were completely destroyed. 549 families have had to find other places to live while repairs are being made to their homes. Because it's a resort area, there's been a problem finding volunteers to help residents, many of them elderly, dig out. So today, 8 hand crews from the Department of Forestry showed up. That's about 100 extra people to help with the cleanup operation. Some homeowners have 2 to 3 feet of mud covering the inside and the outside of their homes. Highway 111, the main road between Palm Springs and Palm Desert, is open again. A bridge washed out in the flooding Friday has been temporarily repaired, and traffic is flowing again. It will be several months before the cities of Palm Desert and Rancho Mirage return to normal. Kim Mariner, Channel 2 News.
This all washed out last night? Every bit of that? Last week.
They knew we were going to have more floods. They just didn't give a damn. Nothing's done about it. 2 years again, we got a bad flood. Homeless. I have 4 kids. And I'm a cripple.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. I really don't know.